That was one of my concerns with this one.
Yeah.
Was the way it was sitting.
Yeah. Hello. I don't know.
Alright, that is coming out. If you remember correctly in the last video, I asked the question, what was the house sitting on? And I was told post and pier. That was an issue for me, especially given the fact that that bathroom was sinking. That's what I'm looking at right here, right now. I knew this one was on post and pier. My biggest concern was it on any kind of actual footings? And as it turns out, right here, it is. And there were quite a few of these underneath this house. So that's good. This, however, is not good. The cinder blocks underneath, holding the other posts up, indicates to me that there's probably not enough posts underneath the house holding it up. I almost wasn't even going to go into the house because of that. I was just going to call it right there. We did eventually go in. I didn't get it on video, but you could actually feel the floor, bouncing.
Be interesting to see how the floors feel.
Yeah. One of the reasons I even considered looking at this house was the fact that it was unfinished and it had a lot of potential. I really did like the exposed beams on the inside of the house. I'm very good at drywalling and joint compounding, so there was a lot of work in here that I could actually finish up and make this place look really, really nice. What I'm looking at right here is what they call checking. That's a technical term for timber frame type houses. Without getting into all the technical parts of what's good and what's bad. Mostly I'm just kind of getting videos and pictures for my own personal benefit so that I could take a look at them and see if there were any, if there was anything I had to worry about later on. This crack that you're looking at, I'm not certain that this was bad, but what I'm really looking at is, just to see how the cracks are. And then later on in this video, what you'll end up seeing is me checking all of the joint compounding, all the seams. What I'm looking for is cracks there. And my primary concern is how much settlement might have happened on the house.
I know.
Oh, look at the kitty up there.
Oh. Why are you just up there? Sure. That's better. Don't worry, there's a little baby. So he hasn't learned manners yet. Oh, okay.
They could have just been installed recently.
The windows,
Usually what happens when a house is settled, the window doesn't open correctly.
Maybe the window, maybe they took this down to get the window in. Yeah.
Did you know if you mispronounce
Has to really be all
Arkansas in
pulled
that
out
state,
and
you're
A
breaking
lot of
the
it
law?
needs to come down, especially, over there,
Yes.
but those additions definitely have to come out.
Yeah.
There and there, because they're not sitting right. Underneath, the piers are there, that's good.
Right. Just needs some adjustment.
And
Some better cement.
Hey, go join your friends up there.
The little blocks are. Oops, can you get that light for me?
It's alright.
Oh my goodness, look at this little nugget. Oh God.
Yeah, that one was missing for a minute.
Oh my goodness, you're so teeny. I used to have kids all the time.
Two. I'm gonna go right here first. What's up with the tape? I never did figure that out. If you know what it is, let me know in the comments.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
This one is a nice dog.
Yes, you're a good baby.
Not unlike the other
So
one.
then the other two bedrooms are here.
Nice little storage area.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's a nice quiet puppy.
Yes. So this is the master.
See, my concern originally when I looked at these pictures, because this is what I wanted to be able to see out there. I mean, that I'm not worried about. I love muddy.
Yeah, I do too. My mother taught me when I was 12. When we built our house. I love it.
There's just something about it. It's each step. It's like it's coming along. It's coming along.
So this is just an exterior like shed. Storage.
Attic space. Like all up overhead is all
Walkable. Or
yes. It's like a completed floor yet.
yeah, I'm pretty sure it's storage.
Yep, absolutely. We've stored air conditioners up there. We've stored electronics up there. No damage. No. Yeah.
So that's just the pull down.
Well, right now he's got to get the hinges to hit it, but you just push it out.
Oh, I know.
Over and it
Okay.
goes right over.
Yeah, gotcha. Okay.
The tractors, they said in the.
Yeah, it's like 2 tractors. With asking price,
What's that?
it said with asking price. I
Yeah.
wonder if it's
Well, I was wondering.
lower if you know
I
what
was
I mean.
wondering the same thing.
Yeah. Nice backyard though.
What's that?
Nice backyard.
See, in the pictures, this here looked like it was built better than the house.
Yeah.
And don't touch the fence; it could be electrified, pal.
Oh, yeah, true.
Ooh.
So many kinds of
Chickens in there.
Is there yet? And a pig? Oh my gosh, where'd you see the pig?
I thought there was a pig in there. I
Yeah.
wasn't sure. My eyesight's not that great.
I'm not going up.
Did it boost you up?
Here, I'll like about Maine. I get in trouble for that in
Oh, yeah.
Massachusetts.
Yeah.
They fine me.
Oh yeah, you see that everywhere here.
I mean, no, it's not for sale. It's a project for one day,
Someday.
and then 40 years later,
Right.
it's still sitting there.
The
But
roots are growing up inside of it, yeah. I wonder if that, you see that orange flag way down there? Straight ahead.
yeah.
I wonder if that's a marker or...
So I wanted to cut this video short right here. Trying to keep these down around 10 minutes or under if I can, where this is a newer channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'm gonna put a link up to the previous video for the house that we looked at a couple of days prior to this. That video was put up last week. And make sure you stay tuned. I'll also probably put, if you're watching this in the future, there'll be another link to the third house that I looked at. Bye.